Okay, so welcome to the Blackboard tutorial for managerial accounting. This is section 230 for the online managerial accounting course. The class does begin on March 23rd. And in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the different links I've set up for you. And I'm also going to show you how to register with My Accounting Lab. All right, so to begin, when you do first log into Blackboard, the default setup is you're going to go right to this home page where you can find this video that you're watching right now. You also have a welcome. You can read about the overview of the course and some other things like etiquette policy and technology requirements and so forth. And again, that's in the home page to get you started. All right, the next link I've set is the announcement link. You should have all received this through your student emails, and here it is. And it's just me communicating to you, telling you to go ahead and log into Blackboard, review everything I'm showing you right here, review these tabs, and then also make sure that you are registered with My Accounting Lab on or before March 23rd. Now, I will also use the announcement link in Blackboard to send you weekly announcements and updates to remind you what you should be doing for each week as well. So do check your student emails regularly. Okay, so the next link is My Instructor, and there's my background information. There's a picture of me. Here's my contact information. I've got my phone, office email, office location. I'm on the Forest Park campus in room F324. So if you do need to come to the campus for any reason to see me, set an appointment. I'm located in F Tower, 3rd floor. And I do have listed my virtual office hours as well. And of course, my instructor email policy. Please, when you do email me, please mention your name and the course and section number. I do teach several online sections, so it does help to know which section you're in so that I can respond as quick as possible. All right, so that's under My Instructor. All right, next link is the syllabus and the schedule. You should review these. Now, I went ahead and opened up the syllabus, so I just want to show you a couple things real quick. Notice this is ACC114230, section 230. CRN is 12455. It's an online college, or I'm sorry, online class. There's my information again. My office hours on campus and my virtual hours are listed again. Same thing that I just showed you. My email, office location, and phone. Again, I suggest email as the preferred method to contact me initially, as it's easier for me to respond quickly. All right, I'm going to go ahead and page down to, and of course, there's the textbook information. I'll show you it again where you can find it in Blackboard. But again, it's the e-text with My Accounting Lab, author's Braun. There's the ISBN, edition 5. You can purchase this in the Forest Park campus bookstore as well. All right, now, under classroom policies, you'll note that I have exams, quizzes, homeworks, and a project. The first three, the exams, the quizzes, and the homework, will all be submitted through My Accounting Lab, and the project will be submitted through Blackboard. Now, regarding the exams, there's 2 exams. They're weighted at 55% of your grade. On the quizzes, they are, again, all online in My Accounting Lab, just like the exams. You get 2 attempts on each quiz. I count your best score. I do drop your lowest quiz. And same thing on the homeworks. Again, in My Accounting Lab, you get unlimited attempts on the homework. And just make sure you submit it by the due date. And I do drop your lowest homework as well. All right, now the project will be made available sometime late. I believe it's in the class schedule, but I think it's right after the first exam. And of course, it's a 50-point project, 9% of your grade. But that one you will be submitting through Blackboard, not My Accounting Lab. Attendance, do make sure you submit assignments weekly. I do track attendance. If you're not submitting assignments, you are counting absent. And there's a chance if that happens within the first 2 weeks, they could go ahead and drop you from the course. And so you don't want that to happen. Okay, read through the rest of this. Again, that's under the class syllabus. And let me show you real quick the class schedule just to kind of give you the pace of this 8-week course. You'll note that, again, starting on March 23rd, you've got 2 chapters for the first week. And then the next week, you've got chapters 3 and 4. And then the next week is chapters 5 and 6. First exam is April 13th through the 19th, again, online in My Accounting Lab. And then the next day is when I make the project case studies available. Notice the project is due May 10th. Then the next week, you've got chapter 7 and 9, chapter 7. And then the following week, you got 9 and 10, and then 11 and 12. And then finally, exam 3, which again is an online exam. It's due on Friday, May 15th. All right, so that gives you the pace. Again, here's the e-text information, ISBN. If you do have any questions on how to get this or any issues with it, please email me and I will assist. All right, so that's all under syllabus and schedule. Now, My accounting lab registration, again, here's the code for the course. It's Juriga 32437. I've got the PDF instructions. This takes you to the homepage link. In fact, if I just show you this real quick, if I click on this My Accounting Lab login, you'll note register now. This is where you register. And so again, that's under this is a link that will take you there, and you can also read these instructions. I've got them saved in a PDF format. Do make sure you do register on or before March 23rd. There is a 14-day free trial period. If you do choose to go with the 14-day free trial period, I suggest you don't do it until about March 22nd or so, because once you do register, the time starts ticking, and you do have 14 days to pay at that point. But what that also means is that you should all be able to register from day one on March 23rd, because there are assignments that need to be submitted that first week, and again, you do not want to get behind. All right, so that's under my accounting lab instruction registration, and then I just also included another link in here. This again will take you back to the login page, just for your convenience. All right, once you've done all this, I set up a course readiness agreement. You click this. You agree that you've read all this, the syllabus, the schedule. You're going to get all the required purchases for the course, which is the e-text. And if you click OK, I start you out by giving you 5 bonus points. So please all make sure you do this. I'm giving you 5 points essentially for saying you're agreeing you're going to complete everything and do your best. All right, so that's under course readiness. And then finally, I've got this learning module link for you. This is where I have all my illustrations and recording. This is how I teach the course. You click any chapter. If I click chapter 2, I give you the overview, what you should be doing for each chapter, what you need to be submitting. I have textbook illustrations. I have the homework illustrations. You play these, and this is to assist you with my accounting lab assignments. All right, you have one of those for each chapter. So if you ever get confused, go to Learning Modules, click a chapter that we're on, play all the recordings, and if you have any problems playing those, please let me know. I'll assist you. But that's all my teachings for this course. This is me teaching. This is at YouTube. This is all the stuff that I've created, the same stuff that I do in my face-to-face courses. All right, everything else, I've got direct links to my narrated lecture PowerPoints if you want those directly. And I also have a link for the ebook solutions if you practice the end of chapter exercises as well. And then finally, a link for the check your grade. All right, so last couple things. Again, just to emphasize, if you do need to be registered with my accounting lab on or before March 23rd, that's when the class does begin. And again, if you have any problems or questions about the course, there's my email, djuriga@stlcc.edu.